Hi, I'm Diana, and today I'm going to show you how to know if an investment is actually worth it using two powerful tools: IRR, internal rate of return, and NPV, net present value. Even if those names sound scary, I promise I'll explain them step by step using real-life examples. By the end of this video, you'll know how to evaluate any project like a pro. Let's dive in. Let's start with the NPV, net present value. Imagine this. You're asked to invest $10,000 today, and you'll receive $3,000 every year for 5 years. Is that a good deal? To know for sure, you need to bring those future payments back to today's value, using something called a discount rate. This is like your required rate of return. Formula: NPV equals summation of cash flow to sites 1 plus RT minus initial investment. If NPV is positive, the investment is good. If NPV is negative, you'll lose money. Example: initial investment $10,000. Cash inflow $3,000 per year for 5 years. Discount rate 10%. NPV equals 3,000 divided 1 plus 0.101 plus 3,000 divided 1 plus 0.102 plus 3,000 divided 1 plus 0.103 plus 3,000 divided 1 plus 0.104 plus 3,000 divided 1 plus 0.105 minus 10,000 divided 1 plus 0.10. Result: NPV equals $1,372.40. It's a good investment. You'll earn over $1,300 on top of recovering your original $10,000.
What is IRR?
Now let's talk about the IRR, internal rate of return. The IRR is the interest rate that makes the net present value, NPV, equal to 0. In other words, it's the real return you're getting from an investment, expressed as a percentage. If the IRR is higher than the return you expect or require, let's say 10%, the investment is a good one. Formula: 0 equals summation of cash flow town by 1 plus R town minus initial investment, where R is the IRR, the rate we want to find. T is each period, year. Cash flow town is the money you receive each year. This equation cannot be solved algebraically. It's solved by using Excel, equals IRR function, a financial calculator, or by trial and error, guessing and adjusting until NPV equals 0. Example 1. Initial investment, $10,000. Cash inflows, $3,000 per year for 5 years. Required return of 10%. We want to find the IRR, the rate that makes 0 equals 3,000 to buy 1 plus R to 1 or 1, plus 3,000 to buy 1 plus R to 1 or 2, plus 3,000 to buy 1 plus R to 1 or 3 plus 3,000 to buy 1 plus R to 1 or 5 minus 10,000 Ps. Result: IRR equals 15.24%. Since 15.24% is greater than your required return of 10%, this is a great investment. Example 2. When you don't know your desired return, let's say you're offered this investment. Differing pay $7,000 today. Experimented, save $2,500 per year for 3 years. You're not sure what return you should expect, but you want to know the minimum return this investment gives you. That's what IRR tells you. We solve 0 equals 2,500 divided by 1 plus R careeriances. 1 plus 2,500 divided by 1 plus R careeriances, 2 plus 2,500 divided by 1 plus R careeriances, minus 7,000. Result: IRR equals 3.53%. This means if you accept investments with a return of 3.53% or less, this one is worth it. If your personal minimum is 15%, then this investment does not meet your standards. So the IRR is the exact break-even rate. It tells you you'll make exactly 3.53% on this project. Take it or leave it. IRR versus NPV? Which one should I use? Both tools help you answer the same question: should I invest or not? But they work in different ways. What it shows: NPV, how much you'll earn in today's value, IRR, your actual rate of return. Easy to understand? NPV yes, IRR not so much. Needs a discount rate? NPV yes, IRR no. Drawbacks? NPV none. IRR, VL give multiple answers with irregular cash flows. Pro tip, use both IRR and NPV together for better decisions.
Bad investment example.
Real case, investment, $5,000. Cash flow, $1,000 per year for 6 years. Desired return, 10%. Results, NPV equals negative $644.74. IRR equals 5.47%. This is a bad investment. Even though you get your money back, you don't earn enough to make it worth it. Now you understand what NPV and IRR mean, and more importantly, how to use them in real-life scenarios. Before you say yes to an investment, ask yourself, 1. What's the NPV? 2. What's the IRR? And if you don't want to do the math, I've got you covered. Let me know in the comments if you want a ready-to-use Excel template. And remember, smart money isn't about gambling. It's about making smart, informed choices. See you in the next video.